Hi, I'm Krista Dempster with Remax City Realty on the Sunshine Coast. Welcome to my new listing.
Located in one of Gibson's most desirable neighborhoods, 291 Cochrane Road is perfect for a growing family or for retirement. Upgrades include new appliances, new paint, and new flooring. Oversized windows fill the home with natural light. The floor plan is excellent for a couple or even a family. Outside is a beautiful yard that's private thanks to mature plants and trees. A deck off the kitchen overlooks a delightful pond and established veggie gardens. You're 200 meters from nearby Atlee Beach, which is a favorite summertime destination for swimming and sunbathing. In the opposite direction are Gibsons Public Market, Gibsons Marina, and the shops and restaurants of Gibsons Landing. Just around the corner is the aptly named Arrowhead Park. This park has a nature trail as well as open, grassy spaces. If you need to commute to Vancouver, the Langdale Ferry Terminal is just a 10-minute drive from home. Let's head back to 291 Cochrane Road and take a tour of the property. Starting from the street, we walk up the driveway and past the attached garage on our way to the front door. Inside is a foyer with a large closet. A short hallway brings us to the laundry and utility room, and to our right is access to the attached garage and half bathroom. There's a storage room in the hallway, and in front of us is a family room with a gas fireplace. To our right is a home office and a set of patio doors that open to the backyard. Back in the foyer, we ascend the stairs to the second level. Our first stop on the top floor is the large living room with its new floors and big bay window that overlooks the front yard. Turning right is the dining area and another set of sliding doors which open to a deck and a view of the backyard. Going back inside, we get a second look at the dining area before turning into the kitchen with its 3 new stainless steel appliances. There's lots of counter and cabinet space. In front of us is a storage closet, and on our left is the main 4-piece washroom. There's a huge vanity, a deep soaker tub, and a separate shower behind the door. Bedroom number 1 is cute with its own closet. A good-sized window provides lots of light. Across the hall is the master bedroom with a backyard-facing window and a large closet. At the end of the hall is the final bedroom. This room is a generous size and has a closet and a big window. Making our way to the backyard, we see a beautiful park-like setting surrounded by mature plants and large trees. There are established gardens, a clothes-drying umbrella, and even a spot for a hammock. 291 Cochrane Road is a cozy Lower Gibsons gem. It's spacious, comfortable, and well-maintained, and lots of upgrades will make you feel right at home. The backyard is a private, beautiful space that's ideal for kids, gardeners, and pets. Don't miss this one. Call Krista today to experience it in person.
I like to build community one home at a time. Call me at 604-740-2050. Thanks for watching.